Beloved, in the Slovenian language, this word literally means his name. And perhaps it's not a coincidence. Today, Ljubljana is a livable and innovative city, strongly orientated towards the future, without forgetting its traditional roots. Also, for this reason, the Slovenian capital was a leg of the CRE Hub project's journey, exploring the culture industry and tomorrow's creativity. And when it comes to creativity and culture in Ljubljana, one cannot pass up an opportunity to visit the Museum of Architecture and Design, an exhibition site, of course, but also a place to meet and have discussions, as director Mateusz Celik explained to the CRE Hub partners.
Our roles are multiple. One of the roles is that as a museum we collect and document the production and evaluate the production as well, of course. Another role is to educate on different levels, to educate the wide lay audience of the museum, as well as to educate professionals. One of the roles is to promote the local production here, but also internationally. And of course, but mainly we are a platform where people can meet and they can participate in different ways in the museum, and we are trying to create a space for discussions about the future.
Young industries, often small and local realities, such as those born within the cultural and creative sector, require, above all, at the beginning of their new adventure, the necessary tools and professionalism best suited for them to become well-known and to be competitive in an increasingly global market. ABC Accelerator, a discovery of excellence in Ljubljana by CRE Hub, embodies this.
Well, I think the main difference between ABC and other accelerators is that we take it personally. We really work a lot on one-on-one activities with the startups. We talk with them, we help them prepare for the meetings, we help them prepare for investor relations. We really take it personally. I think that's the main reason. What does that mean is that we try to focus on 5 crucial pillars of knowledge that startups need, and then we follow their progress and we torture them to really progress as fast as they can. We put a lot of emphasis on data-driven decision-making, meaning that they have to go outside, have to talk to customers, have to validate their ideas and their products, and then they have to get back to the accelerator and use the knowledge they have gained in order to improve their business.
Cascading individual growth, i.e., capable of mastering the tools best suited to its own business model, leads to the development of the entire cultural and creative industry system through sharing. But every idea and every talent, even the best, require the right environment in which to grow and flourish. Polygon, in Ljubljana, established the first creative center in Slovenia, which provides space and support for businesses and, above all, allows entrepreneurs to get together, discuss and create new projects, characterized by cooperation.
So, bottom-up initiatives have a very, very important role in the development of creative sector, while they are, of course, like the driving engine of innovation and creativity in this field. Of course, a lot of ideas are being produced in the creative communities, and by finding different means of support or investors or clients and so on, they can be actually developed into like startups, businesses, or products that are mass produced and so on.
During our visit to Slovenia, innovative projects were featured, such as those presented by the Tafra team, winner of the 2016 edition of the CRE Business Idea Award, with their robotic solutions for farmers and wine growers. Or like Maglev, with their revolutionary turntables for record players, using magnetic levitation to keep the platter and vinyl record suspended in mid-air. The inventors of these projects described their creations in their own words to the CRE Hub partners in Ljubljana during a series of interesting presentations. Experiences and success stories that serve to inspire those who want to initiate their own paths in the cultural and creative world of industry, not just in Slovenia, but elsewhere as well. And just to experience the concept of collaboration during the creative processes, the members of the CRE Hub project were asked to get involved on a more personal level by participating in exercises in teams and working cooperatives, where simple games have become the vehicle of expression and reflection. But it also provides them the opportunity to understand how, from the merger of talent and different perspectives, innovation is often born.
So the strange guy is a designer, and this one is a businessman. He's dealing on the ground with market risk, with the problem, with the business model, etc. They have to meet in some way at half of the path. Why? Because they have to enter in the same new adventure. So this is a move over to go to a new market, because it's something new for all of them. So they meet it.
And so, CRE Hub starts from Ljubljana and form their excellence with the conviction that innovation, cooperation and creativity can symbolize the future.